Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I'm going to be doing a vase of tulips. The photo was taken at an angle, and it was a black and white vase with red tulips, and it really caught my eye. And I was like, why can't I do this in a piece of art? So I decided to use my Inktense pencils for this project. After drawing in the vase and the flowers and the leaves, I used my masking fluid to keep the white spots on the vase white. That included some of the stripes and some of the white stripes white, and also some of the black area white for reflection of the light that was hitting the vase. So when you put your liquid masking fluid on, you do have to step away and give it a time to dry before you start coloring or painting on your project. This video is sped up, so I wanted to make sure that you knew that I had walked away for a little while and let that masking fluid dry completely before I started. These Inktense pencils are really cool. They go down um, like a color pencil, but then you just use water to activate it, and then it is like it turns into ink instead of, because if you do color pencil work and you use odorless mineral spirits, it comes to life too, but these are way more vivid. So I worked on the vase first, and then I went up and started coloring the tulips, and then I put in some shadowing before I started the stems and leaves. And the good thing about this medium, if you don't like the way it looks after you add water, you can let it dry, and you can add a whole nother layer to it and change the look completely with the Inktense pencils by Derwent. And they also have Inktense blocks too. Just be sure to let your artwork dry between stages or between layers and stuff. I decided to use a little bit of my Arteza brush pens to do the shading on this piece because I just really like that particular gray. And the Inktense pencils, they don't really have a gray. They have multiple different shades of black in the pencil set, but not a gray. You can take it off and like scribble on scratch paper and add water and transfer it over to your piece if you want to, or you can use the Inktense blocks and add extra water to it to get a gray shade. But I really like the ease of my Arteza brush pens for shadows. And these are both water-based or soluble mediums, so they go hand in hand very well. And you can see on this I used much too contrasting colors on the greenery and the leaves, so I went back over with a more similar toned green. Still different, but a little closer, so that way the leaves kind of match better with each other. And then you use your rubber cement eraser to help lift the masking fluid. And then touch up any spots that might have got missed from overdoing the masking fluid. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.